Here's how to make these cutest charcuterie boxes. I love adding baby gherkins, stuffed olives, and seasonal fruits to them. Flavored cheddar, feta, and baby bells add a salty pop. Pistachios and walnuts and fruit preserves are my favorites. These crackers from Theobroma add a delicious crispy texture. Now let's assemble these boxes. We will add bite-sized pieces of these yummies so that each box will contain all the flavors and textures. I like to add some classic combinations as well, like watermelon feta, gherkin cheddar, and babybel olive. These combine different flavor profiles in a single bite and are quite interesting. The nuts will be added last as fillers to fill up the empty spaces in our box. Add strawberry fruit preserve. This will add a dash of sweet tartness. Bon appetit!